I want to just conclude a little bit here.
Let Mr. Gandhi have his final word,
See,
please.
I want to talk today to my friends in the media. Look, I always I appreciate the work that you are doing in the media. I watched you sit in front there in the media van in the heat, all the way from in the cold, in the heat, all the way from Tamil Nadu to Kashmir. And I'd like to thank all of you. You have played a very important part. Of course, we do complain that your networks aren't responsive to the opposition and they don't raise the issues of the opposition. But we do appreciate what you're doing, and so I'd like to thank all of you. It's been a very pleasurable experience for me. The whole Yatra, also my conversations with you, the press conferences I have with you, they're always fun.
Rahulji, before you came, I explained to our colleagues in the media that this is your 13th press conference in the last 135 days, and I wish that your example is emulated by some others. Thank you very much. Yeah. Rahulji will take a photograph.